How to clear your Facebook Messenger cache. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear your Messenger cache on your phone. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. The first thing, go to your setting, scroll down and search for apps. Now click on Manage Apps and search on Messenger. Now this is it. All you need to do is click on Clear Data and click on Clear Cache and click on OK. And this is it. The second thing, you can just keep clicking on the app and click on App Info and you're gonna find this option. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.